I just started up our Brick Freedom platform, and I'm very happy to see that we received 2 orders to pick, both domestically, so that's Belgium, 60 lots and 900-ish items. So very excited about those. Thank you for your orders, and we will start picking these as soon as possible and get them shipped out to their new recipients. So that's done. The window parts and fences have been uploaded into Brickstore, and we are going to upload these now in the stores on bricklink. As you can see, we have accumulated around 173 parts for 78 lots, counting for around 21 euros. So yeah, nice addition. Let's upload these. There, parts uploaded. If we look at our total lot count at the moment in our stores, we see that we have around 6,500 lots, and for a total part count of 69,215 items. Not unimportant to mention that we are running a new sale at the store. Just scroll up a bit. 20% on new parts, 25% on used parts, 5% on sets, 5% on minifigs. So if you're still looking for those hard to find pieces, if you're looking for new sets, S3 Brick Shop is your one-stop go. Package has arrived. Let's have a look what this might contain. I do have an idea of what it could be, so let's open this. So we ordered a ring light with a stand for mobile phones. I am usually recording with my phone, but I noticed that I usually don't have the best lighting, and yeah, trying to record and doing stuff at the same time, not always easy. So this stand will be a nice addition to improve our quality of videos and also in lighting. So let's open this up and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so the ring light is unpacked, and for now we mounted it to the side of the cabinet in the Lego room. The ring light consists of multiple parts. Yeah, a bracket to clamp it on the on any side of let's say a desk or a cabinet or whatever. An adjustable stand which can move in height. You can also turn it. The ring light itself is has a hinge, so you can move it up or down, whatever you need. It also comes with a holder for the mobile phone, which can be switched out to instead, if you don't use a mobile phone but a DSLR camera, it has a screw that can be mounted on the ring light, so you can mount your camera instead of a phone. Quite handy. Also comes on a ball joint, so you can move it. For now I will leave it at the Lego room, but might decide later if we are going to move it to our let's say to my computer desk in the other room. There, our phone is mounted on the ring light stand. Everything is working fine. The only thing that I would like to mention is that the clamp for the holder for the phone is quite strong, so I would suggest to use a case for your phone just to avoid any damages. For the rest, I'm quite happy with this purchase. Next week we have another delivery incoming to improve the setup that we have now. which will be a USB-C mic that will be compatible with our phone, so we can improve the audio on the feeds that we will provide. Now is also the first time that you see me as I am. My real name is Stefan, and yeah, I hope that you will be seeing a lot more of me in the future, as this setup will give me the possibility to do more videos with my face in the picture. That's it for now, and see you guys on the next. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and put on those notifications. Also check us out on Instagram and TikTok. Your follow will be highly appreciated, and see you guys on the next. Thank you. Bye bye.